everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for March 2020. This month, we're talking DNA. DNA is the stuff we're made of. It carries all of the instructions our bodies need to run our physical operations. In other words, how our body works. And DNA is responsible for how our body reproduces new cells. Did you know that your DNA can be damaged? So, can you name 3 things that damage your DNA? Come on. Spit it out. Yell it at the screen. Come on, 3 things that can damage your DNA. Well, there are many things that can cause DNA to become damaged. Here are just a few. UV light exposure. Yes, UV light exposure. And with the thinning of the ozone layer, this is becoming even more dangerous. Another one would be ionizing radiation. This includes X-rays. Every time you go to the doctor or the dentist and get an X-ray, you are contributing to the damage of your DNA. And of course, chemical exposure. There's a lot of chemical exposure that we have no control over, but even more that we can and should avoid. There are even more things that can damage our DNA. And, as well as causing cancer, damaged DNA can be passed on to the next generation. Yes, much the same way as a genetic mutation. So in a nutshell, we are making our kids and their kids weaker and weaker and more susceptible to all sorts of diseases. However, I didn't want this session to be all doom and gloom. I wanted this session to look at preventative measures utilizing quantum healing codes. So when I asked the question, is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will eliminate from our space DNA damage-causing influences, 3 codes came up. All 3 codes are from the Energy Balancing by Numbers series. The first one is eliminate EMF effects on the body. Nice. The second one, eliminate coding on the DNA contributing to cancer. That's a good one. And the third one is normalize the DNA B lymphocyte. Now that's a big one. Look it up if you have interest in that, but that is a big one. So let's install these codes and align with eliminating DNA damage. So go ahead and get yourself comfortable as we prepare to install these codes. And if you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. If you don't know how to ground, put your attention on the base of your spine. This is just one way to ground. I like this way for code installs. Put your attention on the base of your spine. That's down by your tailbone. There's a little energy center down there called the first chakra or the root chakra. And I'd like you to plug in a cable, cord, wire, waterfall, anything that indicates movement or flow. Plug one end into the base of your spine and drop the other end all the way down, 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 down to the center of the earth, and plug it into the center of the earth. And say thank you to the earth for accepting what we're going to send it, because it's going to be a lot of muck. And then come back up to the base of your spine and create a switch right there where that cord plugs in. This is your grounding cord. Create a switch that says release. And flip that switch to the on position. And put the consideration, actually the commandment in there, into that release switch and the grounding cord, that the grounding cord will release from your space anything that is not yours or that no longer serves you. Anything that's not yours or no longer serves you will be released down the grounding cord and sent to the center of the earth. And breathe. And then come up to the center of your head. That's behind your eyes, between your ears. This is where we do the work from. It's called the center of your head. And this keeps you neutral. This makes it really easy to be very methodical and systematic in the work and not get emotionally charged by it, which we can tend to do. And then you get stuck in a loop and then you spin and spin and spin and nothing gets done. So we go to the center of our head. And just create a space in there for you to work. Put a nice chair. You can put some pictures on the wall if you like. My center of head looks like the Starship Enterprise with a big screen in front of me. And I perceive the energies on that screen that's out in front of me. You can do it however you do it. Just notice what you notice. And when you notice that you're not noticing, you're actually noticing. So good job. Good on you. And now I'd like to go ahead and tell you about the position that we assume for when we do an install. It's a little different for right-handers and left-handers. Okay, it's actually switched. So if you're right-handed, your right hand goes on your heart chakra and that will deliver the code into your energetic space. How does it do that? Because we intend it. We just tell it it's going to do it. And then your other hand, your left hand, this is for right-handers, is going to be in the air like an antenna. Helps the body to be involved. That's why we do this. The antenna hand is going to grab the code from source, from the quantum field, bring it through our body, across the shoulders, across the arms, deliver it into the heart chakra through your dominant hand. Left-handers switch it. Left hand goes on your heart chakra, and that's in the center of your chest. And your right hand becomes your antenna that grabs the code. Okay, so assume the position, right hand or left hand. And as I read off the code, I want you to follow along with me. And I want you to picture the code coming in and being delivered into your energetic space, that electromagnetic field that surrounds you and all through your body, and aligning with your version of the code. Okay, if you watched my How the Codes Work video, you'll know that you have these codes already in your space, but they could be trashed or broken or not even turned on. So we're going to try to align these codes if they're not working. Okay? So here we go. I do this little mantra before we begin, and we're going to go ahead and install these codes back to back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put them in back to back. Okay, so assume the position. Here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with these EBN codes. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequencies for eliminating EMF effects on the body, eliminating coding on the DNA contributing to cancer, and normalizing the DNA B lymphocytes. Okay. Eliminate EMF effects on the body. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. 8368-4879-578. and breathe. Picture that code swirling through your space. And now eliminate the coding on the DNA contributing to cancer. 53677967 789. 53677967 789. 53677967 53677967 One more. 53677967 And picture that swirling through your space and aligning with your version of the code. And now normalize the DNA B lymphocyte. 984472444676. 984472444676. 984472444676. 984472444676. 984472444676. 984472444676. One more. 984472444676. And now close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra right in the center of your chest. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Oof. Well, they were good. Wow. Okay, to better understand how the codes work, I encourage you to watch my February 2019 monthly presentation of How the Codes Work right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com website and Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's codes. And remember, there's a code for that. Thanks. Bye.